Hey, why hello and welcome to another Jace Owns stream. Did you say your name is Jace Owens? Jason Owens? No, it's Jace Owns. Welcome to the stream. Declue, hello. Yes, you are the first. This is stream 654. We're going to play a little bit of the Banksitter Arena, beating our high score. Then we're going to go into Outlands, do some scripting. Oh my golly gee willikers, you guys. What a great stream we have planned today. Jason can actually start the stream. Yes. Merchant bot, welcome briefly to the house. Now get on over there to the Discord and join that baby. Tuning in. Banksitter.com. We're going to do the arena. We're just going to join right in. We're hopping right in. You might say, I have a few words about this. Okay, I have a few words. Mindless. I don't know if you're ever watching my stuff or not, but holy cow, Mindless. Okay. One of the things that prevents me from finishing a product, one end sandwich, what's up, dude? One of the things that always prevents me from finishing a project is just my ability to not finish. That's one of the things. Excuse me. Anyway, one of the other abilities is like, I start to think of all the things that could go wrong, okay? I start to think of all the things that I would want to be there before I actually push what I've done. You know what I mean? I start to think of, because even like this is so cool. And if it were mine, I wouldn't have pushed it yet. You know what I mean? I wouldn't, what this is, I wouldn't have done yet. Why? Well, one, I'd be worried that I'm using the assets of UO, okay? And now granted, he's not selling this, so it's like fine. But I want to like, you know, whatever when I start, like I want to make some money. Like I want to replace my day job with something that I can enjoy to do and make money on. You know what I mean? Like I guess I'm putting things in a different light than I probably should be. I probably should be more of the, let's just do this for funsies, you know? But for some reason I'm just stuck on the, I want to make money. Right? So it's this weird, it's not all about the Benjis, but you know what I mean? Like, if it could be, it should be, right? I don't know. Anyway, Delphoy, welcome to the stream. Hello. We're out here going to beat our high score in this bank sitting arena, okay? Because why not? I feel like we got this going on, you know what I mean? Andy, what's up, dude? How are you? More projectiles? Sure. More projectiles throwing bombs. We out here throwing bombs. Okay. My other problem is when I say I'm working on something, then I feel accomplished, and I really should just hide it until I'm done, but if I don't do that either, you know what I mean? I feel like there's multiple things I'm doing wrong, but anyway. Yes, explosive diarrhea. You have explosive diarrhea? Does anybody have that, by the way? Did anybody catch that disease and or parasite going around? I don't know what we're calling it these days, but did anyone eat at Taco Bell? Is anyone out there on the toilet right now, maybe? I don't know. Check in at the comments, you know, like let me know. Trackups, you always keep your projects to yourself, and as a result, have a graveyard of half-finished projects? Nice. Okay, yeah, I definitely have a graveyard of projects as well. I definitely... Whew. The amount of things that I think I'm going to finish, and I don't, are staggering, honestly. A little bit embarrassing to even say out loud, but hey, it is what it is, you know? It is what it is. Once I start building a public, you get the attention, sort of inspires you to keep working on it. I mean, that helps, I guess. Yeah. That could help. the best mobile Reapers ever. I mean, yes, this is... This... There's so many things that are in my brain that I want to steal. Like, again, if I could just... If Mindless said, you know what, guys? I'm not going to work on any of this anymore, and I'm just going to open source this. Mindless, are you going to do that, dude? Because that would be fantastic, dude. I want to definitely... I want to steal what you've done so far. I don't need it to be a browser game, though. Like, the fact that we're playing in the browser is cool. But my game, I want it to be on Steam. You know what I mean? Like, I want this to be on Steam. So to be on Steam, we can't be using the UO graphics, right? Like, but I like the idea of it. And it's not that it has to be UO. Anyway, I don't know, man. It's cool. Super neat. So we're out here playing the Banksitters. The Banksitter deck. I feel like I'm a professional now at this, but I still can't win. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like I'm so good at it, but I still suck. All right, let's read the comments real quick. You're stuck at 22K points? Dolfoy. Come on, dude. We got to step that up. When I started streaming my UO server building, I went 60 days strong doing it. Nice, dude. Yeah. He did mention that he's going to release the sword once he finishes, but something like this I feel like never gets finished. So maybe once he gets bored, he'll pass on the torch. Nice. Yeah, I think hopefully that will happen. You know, the other thing that prevents me from doing certain projects is cost, you know, because even like my UO Razor Scripts and UOAddicts website, that costs me money to host and stuff, but I make money from streaming and you guys donate and things like that. So I recoup my costs associated with those things, but like I don't know what kind of architecture or what's behind the scenes here for Mindless's stuff, but obviously, you know, he's not making anything off of this, so this is costing him money. Now, if it's all client side, then maybe not, right? Like maybe he's just paying to do that initial load and that's it. But the fact that there's multi-chat and things like that, I feel like there's got to be some sort of upkeep here. So that's another thing where, for me, I wouldn't want to push stuff until I know I'm going to, like, get some return on it, you know? Again, like, it's not all about the money, but it is, I guess. Damn, Jace, you sound greedy as all hell. Welcome to the stream, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. My name's Jace, and I have a problem. Please like, follow, and subscribe. Dear God, please like, follow, and subscribe. Anyway, this again, it's a little bit janky, you know? Like, is there things I would be doing different? Yes. Oh no, I messed up there. Yeah, like I was reading. I have to play it safe for a little bit, you know? I have to play it safe, try not to lose our cool here. Whoa, we're fine. He never implemented what I suggested, okay? Like I said, hey, how do I get to play this? Anxiety Anxiety Gamer. You just go to banksitter.com and then you need to set a like a username and password. And then I just save mine in my browser. And then you head over to the little guard that's behind the bank. You just double click them and then it says enter the arena. So there's a little guy behind the bank, north of the bank. But I think you have to have a like username and password to like save your progress. Anyways, and the fact that like when you try to enter the arena, it says it's full. There's obviously some sort of server behind this, right? Like again, I feel like this ain't free for Mindless to do. And it kind of reminds me of that. What was that game that everybody was upset with because they didn't like the developer? Dreadmist? You know, Dreadmist was like a free-to-play game, and everyone's like, oh, man, this guy's terrible. Like, that was just a cool concept project. I said it out loud. Like, that dude could turn off the server at any moment, right? And that's what happened. He turned it off. So same thing with this, right? Like Mindless could turn this off because he's like, shit, that cost me, you know, $120 for the first week I had it live. You know what I mean? Like, I'm going to turn that off. So I get that. We'll see what happens. I guess the backend code is Node since the AI models love making multiplayer stuff in JavaScript, TypeScript. Yeah. Dragums, I believe you are correct. I believe the server's in Finland. Damn, dude, you're doing all sorts of research into this. I've only loaded the Chrome tools just to see like what kind of errors or things were flowing. And that's the only thing I've done so far, but cool concept, you know? Somebody asked like how much memory it took. We hovered over it. It was like 1.1 gigs or something in the browser to play this. Let's see what it says right now. Yeah, it's 1.1 gigs right now. The tab is playing audio. So you probably don't want to leave this on, like, running on your machine. You know what I mean? Like, it's funny. It's like a cool concept, but I'm wondering if the bank itself uses less memory. Maybe the arena uses more. But anyway, super cool. Again, no, I'm like jealous, you know? I did message Mindless, and I told him I was jealous. I had a little bit of a developer envy, you know, and he showed me what else he's working on, and I'm like, holy cow, dude. Again, he's in it for the love of doing it, and I respect that. I'm in it for a different reason, I guess. But yeah, that's way to go, Mindless. Is Mindless a crypto bro? I don't know. Maybe this doesn't matter to him. Anyway. GG. Super interesting concept of a UO game. And it's like I can't look away. I can't help myself. Maybe I just have a problem. Maybe I'm just an addict, you guys. Maybe I need to check myself into some sort of website, you know, like a UOAddicts website. Because I feel like this is something that should be on UOAddicts.com, right? I feel like this is definitely something that should be there. And I'm just going to speak out loud. The fact that you get the fact that you get the random rewards for the idle portion of the game, right? Like, and he's just reusing existing assets, making it basically an unlimited amount of things you could potentially get randomly is amazing. That's an amazing concept. Like well done, dude. Like, the fact that you get a random hue and a random item means you're getting, you know, however many things forever. Epic. Well done. Smart. I'm stealing this now. This is mine now. You know what I mean? Like, I don't... Oh, man. Well done, sir. The envy grows within you. Anyway, I'm not saying I'm a professional at this or anything, but wow, look at me go, you guys. I'm just absolutely crushing it. My problem is I can't get over 20 something thousand either, Delphoy, by the way. I'm pretty sure I think my highest is 27K, maybe. I want to say 27K. But for some reason I can't get beyond that. I'm trying. I'm trying. But we out here gonna beat our score. Then we're gonna play. Then we're gonna play. Okay. We're gonna play what, Jace? We're gonna play Outlands, you guys. Okay, we're gonna play Outlands. I didn't publish my script builder updates that I said I was gonna publish because I felt weird publishing something that I didn't ever test. Okay, so we're gonna test a little bit more before I continue on. Ooh, I just got whacked there pretty bad. You get stuff with Jukum when they start spawning around you. You should add a 1-second visibility buff after leveling. Ooh, that'd be nice. You got to kind of like trick the lag or trick their pathfinding to make a holes to escape. Nice. Okay. We will continue to iterate. Tragums, how high did you get on here? Whoops. Ooh. All right, there's more Blackthorn coming in. Okay, we almost died. That's... Okay, I'm not going to make it, guys. This was a good run, but not the best run of my career. Did you just call yourself a career? Yes, I have a career in Banksitter. Okay, I'm just going to keep holding the mouse down. Hit 2 on the keyboard. There we go. Oh, I got a little bit greedy there. Oh, no. Okay, we're fine. Nice. Okay. Okay, not bad. Okay, all right. Making a little space. Nice. Whew, I'm starting to sweat, you guys. I think this might be my best run yet, honestly. Honestly, who throws a shoe? By the way, you're never supposed to say, like, to tell you the truth or honestly, because then apparently everything you say is a lie. You know what I mean? So honestly, I really need to stop doing that, you guys, okay? And honestly, that's what I'm thinking. I hate when AI does that. And honestly, the truth is, I think that you're right for pushing back. Okay, we did get whacked there. That's fine. We're fine. Everything's fine. We get a little lag of spike right there, selecting that thing. Okay. Oh, yeah. Nice. Dodged, kind of. Did take a little DPS damage right there. That wasn't ideal, but hey, it is what it is. Sometimes you just got to give up a little bit of health to... Oh, dang, that was a lot of bit of health. Okay. I would like to go get this EXP here, but I feel like I'm painting myself in a corner. Okay, there we go. Oh, yeah, it's sick with its speed. Wait, it's disappearing. It goes away? That's not ideal. Okay, this is getting intense, you guys. I'm stopping talking because it's it's getting so intense right now. No! No! 22. Oh, dang, you guys. Dang, first death of the stream. First death of the stream. I'm at rank 16, 37K an hour ago. Dang, dude, dang. What is this? Vampire Survivors at UO? It sure is, dude. It's crazy. This is wild, okay? It's great job, Mindless. Like, goodness gracious, dude. Like, it's janky. It's a little bit janky, but it's good. And what's crazy is he's not even working on this anymore. Give us an update. Give us an update, Mindless. I need this. Okay, I need this. Anyway. Once there are too many entities, it starts despawning the EXP orbs. Damn, okay, dude. Yeah, that sucks. Dear player, this is the UO intervention team. We're here today because we care about you and because you've been playing too much of UO. Please step away from the keyboard. QC Brawley, I'll step away from the keyboard, but then I'm just going to sit back down at the keyboard and load up another game. Okay, is that all right? Can I do that? Because I would load up Everquest next. Maybe I'm just addicted to the computer. Maybe this is my problem. Armalux Arena would be so cool to become more tanky. There is this little shop icon here, right? Where's coming soon. So that's definitely normally how like these types of games go. You earn points, coins, credits, right? As you play, and then you would buy upgrades to help you get further. That's the whole point of these types of games. And it looks like he was there, maybe ready to go, but then I feel like Mindless is just like me in some regards, where he has a bunch of different ideas, and I don't think maybe he's gonna surprise me with some update to the just a few prompts away. That's what I'm saying, dude. Maybe he's gonna surprise us all with something cool. But anyway, I was trying to think of like, if I were to do this, I don't want to have to use 1.7 gigs of memory to like have this be on like UOAddicts, but what are some of the things that I like about it? One, I like the quest tracker. I like this. Like, can we have this without all the gigs of memory? You know what I mean? Like, do I need to have this in the game? I don't know. I mean, it's cool. But like, what would I want out of, what do I want to steal from what Mindless has done? I don't know. I mean, borrow. It looks fun. There's no razor or anything. It's just browser-based. It's just browser-based, Drawfill. Yeah. It's just a little codexed, the UO graphical spinny uppers. You earn points by being online. You know, like it's an idle game where he's added the arena. So it's an idle game plus a thingy. But anyway, we're going to log off that right now, right? Or we should do one more run. We should do one more run, or should we just log off? That was a great first run. Maybe I should just log off. But what I was going to say is you earn outfits by playing, okay? And then it's random. You get a random hue and a random thing, and so then as the more you're online, you get more different things, right? It's basically an infinite amount of possibility because of the way he set it up. Like, again, very smart. Mindless. I said it earlier. I'm going to say it again. The fact that you have it where you get a random item and a random hue means you can literally play forever. You know what I mean? Like, that's a great... As an idler game enjoyist, how you set it up is amazing. So well done. I'm jealous. Hi, my name is Jace Owns, and I'm jealous. Jealous is not the right word. I'm impressed. Wish it was mine. Well done. All right, one more turn. We'll do one more. If it lets us in, we're going. If not, then we won't. Okay, it let us in. Okay. All right. All right. It wanted us to play, you guys. It let me in. You know what I mean? Because sometimes it will say the arena's full. I don't know. Again, somebody said how many players that can be in there at a time. I don't know off the top of my nog. But anyway, super cool. Mindless says hello in the chat. Hello, I love your game. Yes, I can chat while it's paused. Fantastic. Wait, did it go over my head when I typed? Oh my goodness gracious. It's not even just the chat over here. It goes over your noggin as well. Oh my golly gee willikers. It's too good. It's too good. I can make a setting look at corpse decay. I did move all the clients, and the server didn't have to deal with it. Okay, okay. I got so many EXPs right there. All right. Got little stars to collect it all, so we're about to get some levels. Big updates coming tonight, he says. Uh-oh. We got some big updates, you guys. I can't believe I'm so addicted to this game. It's freaking mindless. Anyway, has anybody played this yet? There's 150 people online, 14 arenas active. How? Why? Amazing game. It's amazing. Oh, there's another star. All your EXP belong to me. More banksitters here than more, more active shards. That's crazy. It's true though. Like, yeah, it's again a simple concept, you guys. I don't want to use the word jealousy. I don't, because it takes away from like what he's done. It's such a cool concept. And I've thought about this concept over and over and over again. I've never implemented it, and Mindless made it happen. It's freaking awesome. Well done, sir. Ooh, yeah, explosion. I'll take that. Little chain action, sure. Scorched earth. Damage, sure. Get that similar feeling. I want to be able to prompt my own little UO world too. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Like, because what's stopped me from doing this is twofold. One is the money situation, right? Because whatever I would make, I would want to sell, and you can't sell this because it's UO stuff. Two, if you do it for the love of just UO and being able to make something, actually making it happen is the other roadblock for me. You know what I mean? Like, I have UO Fiddler. I know like where the graphics are stored, but I don't know how he's done this, you know? Now, to be fair, there is a web client, so maybe it's just saying, hey, check out this other repo, and I want to make a smaller version of it. Maybe it's very simple. Maybe I'm overcomplicating in my brain. I don't know. Man. Crazy cool. It's so good. Oh, goodness. What if it borrows the classic UO code since they have that web client? Or if you had Cloud GDP extracted all assets? Yeah, so when I played it the other day, I was typing a Mindless in the chat, and I was saying, like, hey, can you just type this? Like, hey, Claude, fix it when I level up to not pop up the mouse window, right? And he said that he was using Codex for it. So this is a Codex project, which I've used Codex only when Claude's down. But I'm a Claude coder, so that's been my jam. But it does make me curious about the different models and like what's the default behavior when you ask a question versus not, you know what I mean? Like this also makes me think of all that stuff. So then like the wheels are turning on I have multiple cogs turning when I'm looking at this, you know? The dopamine cog, the developer cog, the jealousy cog, you know, all of it. If you're finding a lot more usage available in Codex, but you use Cursor in Codex and not Claude, okay. Well, when I very first got into AI, I did use Cursor. And then I like ChatGDP, but then like the actual like code editors, Claude Code was my forte in February. So February this year, I've basically used it every day since February. Claude Code. Claude Code. And then what's funny is I had a dream a few nights ago, and I said this on my stream, and I told people at work, and it's really just coming true, but like my dream was a nightmare that I wasn't able to code anymore. I had to use AI to code, which doesn't sound terrible, but then you have to use AI to review the code that you didn't actually write. You had AI write it, okay? So in my dream, I'm writing code using AI, then having AI review my code. Well, then when it's ready to submit, other developers have their AIs review my code, and then it tells me how wrong the code is. So then I have to use AI to fix the AI code that was AI reviewed by other people's AI, right? And I was like this vicious nightmare cycle. And then I wake up, and that's kind of how like how things are now. You know, like, it's not even a nightmare. It's like, that's reality. It's like, sometimes when you look at a merge request or a pull request or whatever, you're like, well, I mean, did anybody really do that code? Is that just that's just the AI thing? Okay, well, let me use AI to review your AI code. Yeah, that looks terrible. But why does your AI code look terrible? Why does my AI code look terrible? Is it because we're prompting it differently? Is it because we have a different understanding of the project? Is our read files wrong? You know what I mean? Like, what are we doing? So anyway, my nightmare is now reality. Okay, it's just funny timing. Like, I used to read articles like earlier on in the year about like I haven't been programming in 6 months. I haven't. And I'm like, what the hell? I get it. At the same time, can we just turn off AI and can I get back to being the guy that solves the problem? I don't, like, I'd be all right with that too, because that's what I actually enjoyed. I enjoy problem solving. AI helps us maybe solve a problem, but then it puts another problem in my plate. You know what I mean? Anyway, it's one thing I hate. You ask one thing, and AI always says something better, like how I should do this. And then you're like, but it's okay, do it. Well, you found it. Exactly. It's more and more tokens being spent. That's why when I say something is said, I always say no preamble, no pros. Nice. Okay. Pocked. This is banksitter.com. It's an idle game and a auto shooter game, and Mindless made it when the Discord went down for Outlands. And it's kind of evolving into some different things. It's so, I think it initially just started as a place for people to chat while the Discord was down, and then just keeps adding stuff to it. So, and then I was just complaining about my life and how AI is changing everything for me. Sometimes for the good, I guess, you know, depending on what you do. Depending on if you're making an auto shooting idle game in UO flavor, then it's a good thing. I'm all for it. Hell yeah. Ooh, I took some damage there. Alright. Everything's fine. Something. Anyway. Very cool. Banksitter.com. It's like crack for Jace. It's basically J-crack. So true, dude. Welcome, Nox. Welcome to the stream. I was only going to play it until we beat our highest score, and I technically got a really good score my first run. And then I said, well, I just did one run. I might as well do one more. You know, one more run. And here we are in our second run of the day. And then we're gonna play some Ultima Online Outlands. Oh my golly gee willikers, that guy whacked me good. Oh, I might die. Oh no, I'm fine. I'm fine, you guys. This is fine. It's fine. Chain, yeah, that sounds like a chain. I gotta go to two hands now, you guys. I gotta hit the button without hitting the mouse. Okay, hold on. All right, what's being chatted about? It's like me playing a Civ game, just one more turn, and then 3 hours later, okay, one more, the same, dude, same. The backend is just SQLite. It's a flat file, but everything else is TypeScript because that's preferred language for the web. Dude, mod. AKA Mindless, AKA the creator of Banksitter.com. Welcome to the chat. Holy cow. I don't know if you know this or not, but I've been talking about you this whole time. Wow. Wow, dude. Wow. Okay. Like, I am basically, yeah, it's been a Glaze stream for sure. It's oh, I just died there. I hate your game. Oh no. Oh god. Okay, we're fine. It's so good. It's dude, what's funny? So yeah, I sent Mindless a message saying like, hey, I was gonna play your game. I was gonna play your game on stream, and I noticed as I sent him a message that I missed his message from literally years ago, saying he wanted to work together, and I and I never respond. To be fair, I never saw it. Okay, I probably saw it and thought, I should reply. Here's my problem. Let me rephrase. I'm sure I saw it and I thought I need to respond to that guy. And then I never did. And then time goes on and I feel guilty and I never do. And then I'm like, okay, like, never mind. Oh God. And then eventually I have to forget about it because then I feel guilty. So I'm sure I saw it and thought I need to reply to you. And then just never did. And then when I actually, then when I actually did send you a message, then I feel even worse because then I noticed it. And then I'm like, oh God, okay, I never sent you that message here. Okay, that's my bad. You know what I'm saying? Red line for sure, dude. We're fine. Everything's fine. Anyway, Mindless. Appreciate what you're doing, dude. I was basically saying I wish I could do what you're doing, but I have a different mind when it comes to this, Mindless. Okay? And it's like I don't want to say the word greed, but it's like, well, how do you pay for all this? You know, like, how, like, you can't make money off a UO asset, and I'm like, but it's really freaking cool. And then it's like, wow, I should have done this, you know, like, golly. And then I like go through a hate spiral. I love it, dude. Good game. GG. Well done. As I'm sitting here not blinking, playing your game. And then I was also fluffing you up about the concept of the idle game giving you a random item, random hue. Amazing. Chef's kiss right there, dude. That's like, as a idler game enjoyer, that is like the perfect combo pack of like getting people to continue to play. Because you literally have like not an unlimited number of items, but a pretty healthy number of items to go through before things kind of run out, you know? So good. So very good. I built it, made one post on Outlands Discord about it, and then had 146 people online constantly since. Yikes. I definitely want the dopamine hits. The dopamine shits is really what I want. First curse of the stream. Sorry about that. First curse of the stream. If you guys got that disease that's going around right now, eating at Taco Bell? No, I got the dopamine from the Banksitter.com. Bearded Vet. We normally play UO on this thing. I definitely want to play Everquest Legends. That's still on my list to do. Mod Frequency, who's in the chat right now, aka Mindless, is responsible for this Banksitter.com website, and it's basically taken some of the UO graphics and made like different little mini games in it. My wife, who's never played UO, has started bank sitting. What have I done? Hell yeah, dude. A tale as old as time. Yeah, I'll get around to it. I feel attacked. Oh no, I just took some damage there. These corpses, man. Mindless, these corpses. They're too thick. Damn, boy, she's thick. Oh. Okay, we might be approaching our death here. I feel like this is where I died last time, huh? Oh, we're fine. Everything's fine, guys. Okay, we did get hurt. That's fine. Nice. Okay, alright. 25,000. Okay. GG, you guys. GG. First death of the stream.
First death of the stream.
For what it's worth, I own hundreds of domain names, and GitHub has like 170 repos in it right now, so I'm all too familiar with unfinished projects. Damn, dude. I stopped buying domains. I went through the curse of idea by domain in my 20s, and I stopped doing that when I got to 30 years old. Mostly because I got married. And I realized, okay, I'm not going to do all these things. In my 20s though, domain after domain after domain. Because I was like, hey, this is gonna be money. Money. Now I own like 5 domains. Maybe 7. 5 for sure. 5 used. Anyway, so here's an idea for you, Mindless. Make the arenas try on a timer too, so you can bank like 5 plays and it recharges 1 a day and gives each run a bit of an idle wall. Damn, Declue. Out here putting in blockers. That's actually a smart idea, though. Nicely done. You stopped collecting domains and then AI became a thing. You had to buy a bunch. True. All right, cool. Well, anyway, let's see where we are in this thing. Leaderboard. I'm pretty sure I'm in the top 40, right? Damn, I'm not even in the top 40? Okay, top 50. I'm in the top 50, you guys. Here I am. Jace owns top 50. 27,000 points is my highest. What did I just get? 25. Dang. All right. Anyway, GG. That's banksitter.com, you guys. Definitely check it out. Well done, Mindless. Awesome work, sir. When do we unlock you? 1109. What's that one? What hue is that? Sorry, I just logged into Twitch and it says that I'm broadcasting in 1080p. Click here to learn how to stream in higher qualities. And then also, you're not streaming in vertical. Click here to learn how to stream in vertical. I'll have to look at that later. Interesting. What would vertical Twitch look like? Is that just on your phone? Do people watch Twitch on your phone? What do you people have phones? Like, what is this? All right, anyway, so we did a bunch of changes to the script builder the other day, and then I never really tested them. And I said I was going to push them, but I didn't want to push it after I thought about it. So we're going to just continue to test some of that stuff. Let's see. Wow, local host, load up, dude. Load up. Okay. So some of the things that we changed. You're able to change the text now as well. So we're going to go through the logic blocks, and I'm going to do what I did before and just generate them all like one at a time. Okay, so I'm going to turn everything off. We're going to turn everything off. Jace, do you have music on your stream? I normally do, you guys. I didn't even realize I didn't have it on because I was so addicted to damn Mindless's Banksitter.com. Hey, Mindless, if you're still here, what's one of your other favorite domains that maybe's published or maybe's not? I'm just curious. One you're willing to share. What's a domain name you're like, yeah, I got that one. Or maybe somebody else has a domain that they want to share that they got, and they're like, yeah, I have, you know, Adidas.ai or something. I'm trying to think of the website that I use for music. It's upbeat.io, you guys. That's what I was trying to type in. Upbeat.io. I pay for that, so I don't have to like worry about the issues. You know what I'm saying? What kind of issues, Jace? The DMCA issues or whatever. 1109 is the evil mage cloth hue. Nice. Okay. All right. Let me uncheck all these things. Believe it or not, you own the Chris sound. Well done. Haven't done anything with it yet? I mean, I feel like that's a very simple little HTML page where you visit it and it makes the noise. You're welcome. You know what I mean? Like you just go to it and it goes ching. Maybe give a little repeat. Maybe a little repeat button, you know? Like here we go. Let's work together. Mod. Right when you go to ching. And then it's like, would you like to play again? Ching. Anyway. So if we stretch the crowd. Yeah, exactly, dude. Yeah, you could have like different little things about it. Wow. I like it. So we're going to generate the script with nothing in it, okay? So this is basically... Wow, I didn't even hit play in the game yet, you guys. Holy cow. This is how addicted to Banksitter.com I am. I didn't even log into the game yet. Shit, did they, I just cursed again. I'm foul-mouthed. Did they do the lottery already? Did I miss it? Ding. Are they about to do the lottery? I need to buy tickets. Yeah, 2 minutes. I logged in just in the nick of time to win the lotto. Whew. I was a little bit worried there that I wasn't going to win, but now I am. Jace Gamble's so true. We got to buy all these little lotto tickets and stuff because we're, you know, addicted to video games and pixels. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Spending our hard-earned gold piece, our hard-earned GP. Okay. I mean, this is a dead game too, right? Like nobody plays this one. Nobody's on here. All these people should be on Banksitter.com. You know what I mean? What's up with all these people? All right. Anyway, we've copied the script over. Because remember, we're doing the script builder, and I'm just gonna do this right here, and we're gonna say temp tester, and I'm just gonna save right here, save. So as you can see, with nothing selected, it's literally kind of just an empty script. It's a use item timer and a bandage timer. Technically, we could probably even strip out the bandage timer, but I'm gonna leave it right there for right now. And then we're gonna go to the logic blocks and just turn on show you died bro message when you die, and I'm going to regenerate the script and click copy. Okay, and then I'm going to just repaste it over. So this basically says, okay, it runs the regular script. While we're not dead, it would run the script, and if we're dead, it would say you died bro. Well, one of the things that we changed was, can you customize the message? Jace Gambles, and then we'll do it in the hue of 89. And then, yes, we're going to restart the script. I'm going to regenerate. I'm going to click copy. And then let's see if it actually worked. Boom. There we go. Save. And sure enough, the overhead says Jace Gamble's in the hue of 89. And it replays at the end. Holy cow. Check mark there, guys. We've done it. So now I'm going to uncheck all that stuff. And then we're going to go to stop if hidden and generate and copy. And we're basically just validating the logic. Okay, this might be very boring, or this might be very educational, depending on who you are and what you think. So sure enough, if I paste this in, this is the if hidden, then stop the script. And it's saying we are hidden, stopping the script. Sweet. And then what we could do is change this. Stop in the name of the law. As that, and generate it again. Just make sure that we actually change the text. It should. Gosh, everything's on fire, you guys. And sure enough, it changed it. Sweet. Sick. It's working. Did we win the lottery? Hopes Fall won the lottery. 63 million. I would spend that so fast, you guys. If I won $63 million in the game of UO, I would have $60 million. Minutes later. Minutes later, I'd be broke. You'd clearly give it to your fans. I would 100% be doing giveaways for sure, you know? But first, I would go over, I would type like this. I would type customizations. Boom. I would type that, and then I would purchase everything, even if I didn't need it. I would collect them all, you could say. And I would just buy all of these. So that might be, you know, like, I don't even know what these do. Changes the red light potion reset to 2 hours. Changes it to 15 minutes. I don't even have that. I would buy it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye. What is this? Reduces crafting. Item crafting delays by 15 seconds? Wait, no. 15 seconds. Heavy industry? What? I didn't even know those were a thing. Are those new? Wait, there's a new flash raffle. Tickets are 10K each. Do I have money? I sure do. I have 670K. Let's go spend it. Let's go gamble, you guys. We out here gambling. That's the Salog. That's the merchant. Winner will receive 1 Blessed Shimmer, Oxide Hued, Ragged Scrape. I will. Oh, I double clicked. I spent 20K. I didn't mean to do that. You got an extra 10K out of me. Freaking Owen. All right. Anyway, so this looks good. Let's keep going. We're going down the list. Stop if hidden. Well, how about we change it to pause until you unhide, and then it's going to be this message. Ideally, the message should be based on what's selected, but I'll allow it. Okay. I'll allow it. Generate. Copy. Paste. Okay. So if we're hidden, war mode off, and then while we're hidden, continue on. So I'm going to hit play here. Let's just make sure it works. Should work. We are hidden. Pausing the script. Nice. Okay. So that's working. Let's go down to healing. Healing. There's a low on bandage message warning now. This was in our old script, but let's just make sure it works. Generate, copy, paste. You begin applying, sets it to 0. You finish applying, or you heal at will, or you help, or you fail to resurrect. You are able to resurrect. Nice. Okay. I think that's right. And then these are our counters. If the alert aid counter. So I wonder if I even need to set a variable here. Technically, instead of saying 20 here, like I know it set it as a variable, but really it should just do 20, right? Like we shouldn't even set a variable there. Because 1, it clears a line. 2, it removes some memory. 3, this is actually more correct. because remember, if we compare two variables, it's weird. I'm thinking if I want to spend time doing that. I'll write a note. We'll leave it as it is, but I'll write a note. You should definitely write a note, Jace. Thanks, I will. We're gonna write a note that says, change this JSON's healing alert counter to be inline instead of a variable. Set, just use the hard int. You say hard int? Yeah, the hard int. Never say hard int. Okay, and then we could take out the warn. Let's just remove the warn and then regenerate, make sure that it actually doesn't show up there. Sure enough, it gone. Fantastic. Okay. That looks good. Let's go to vet. Vet supplies, we didn't have any additional thing. Okay, so that's fine. Let's just make sure we didn't break anything. This is basically doing vet supply timer. Okay. You begin using vet supplies. Okay. Sounds good. Magery, self-healing. I don't think I changed anything here. I did change the only cast cure when you're out of cure pots, so we are going to do that real quick. I'm going to generate the script copy. We're going to paste that in because we're going to test this logic, you guys. You test your code, Jace? I don't always do that, but sometimes I do in production. All right. Wait, damn it. I messed up the saying. I don't always test my code, but when I do it to production. Should I just push what I have and then we should really test in production? Dang. I don't know. We'll see. I know the moment I push it, I'm going to find a problem. You know what I mean? I'm gonna hit play here. So it's gonna bless us because that's part of the code. And then I want to poison myself in game to see it cure. And it shouldn't use the cure spell because we have the finding bug. Step 1, publish the script. Yeah, fair point. Prod has the best data to validate your results against. Never sub-prod environment. That actually works, right? Fair. Fair point. The problem is a lot of times especially with stuff like this, I don't know what's missing versus what's a bug. You know what I mean? So like, for example, a lot of people were saying like the all guard's not working and the necromancy doesn't work. And like technically it works. It's just bad. But yes, I should push it. D21 with the stream below. I'm still waiting for chrissound.com to work. Or Christ Sound, or however you say that. Ching. Let's see. What was I doing? Oh, I wanted to poison myself. In-game. In-game, you guys. I'm poisoning myself in-game. And it should drink a pot. Wait. It's not drinking a pot. Why is that, Jace? Well, because down here we turned off potions. Consumable. We turned off potions. So let me turn back on potions. Cure. There we go. Let's generate that now. Okay. All right. All right. So the good news is, wait, I can test this still. Let me just drop my cure potions off my character. Sure enough, there it goes. Okay. So sweet. That worked. Fantastic. And now let's see the script with the potion as part of the code. I feel like I copy pasted the same thing. I don't know if it's actually going to work. Nope, there you go. Yeah, instant drink of a cure potion. Nice. Potion satchel used. Look at us testing our stuff. My director, always in service now, poking around the data, actually found some curious things that revealed the bug in my code, and I pushed it last week. He didn't even know what he was looking at. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Unforeseen use case because it worked too well. Nice. Hey, it happens. That's good. All right, we're gonna uncheck all of those because we got that to work. That's good. So that new check marks works. New check marks. Chivalry. People are saying that the reserve symbol is not working correctly. So we're going to need to log into something that has Chivalry to test that. Chivalry? I can't say that word. Chivalry? Chivalry? Why is this so hard to say? Chivalry.
Chivalry.
Chivalry. Hey, Jace, how you doing? How's Outlands going? I haven't been on much fun in Outlands. Seems like an endless farming, not getting anything special overall. Chivalry, diarrhea. How's Outlands going? Outlands was all right. Do I have a game for you, though, dude? You should definitely check out Banksitter.com, okay? Banksitter.com is an idle game, and it's an arena game. So Banksitter.com. It's by Mindless. He made this while the Outlands Discord was having some problems. And you basically earn rewards by being logged in, and you get random hues of random clothes. It's so good. And then he made this arena where now we have to show it off. Damn it, it's full. Anyway, he made this arena mode where it's like an auto shooter. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It does eat a little too much memory up for me, but I'm going to close that down before it sucks up too much. But definitely worth checking out. Banksitter.com. Way to go, Mindless. Just pause right after shovel. Chivalry. 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 Nice. Are you a speech therapist? Well done. Yeah, I did it. Chivalry. Wow, dude. You fixed my speech impediment. Chivalry. Chivalry. It's like when I was trying to learn Guy Valor's name and I just could not say his name and I had to like practice it in the mirror. Because my brain, when I see it, there's something in it that just makes me go crazy. I'm able to say the word because I'm not looking at it. I bet if I look at it again, I'm going to not be able to say it. I'll just never look at it again. Chivalry. Reflink equals JSONs. Yeah, exactly. Hey, speaking of that, if you guys ever have any UO related projects or UO related servers, UOAddicts.com is where I would like you to put that stuff. Okay, you guys, because I wanted this to be a community thing, like where you could, submit your fan site and things like that. So I'm on my local host right now, but if you have a site like Banksitter.com or, Christsound.com or whatever, Maybe you have a map website. Maybe you have an item database. Maybe you have a how you put on clothes website. Be sure to check that out and just add your site on there. Because not only if you run a site, chances are you're going to want traffic. And if we could just loop together, you know, making a little web search, a little web crawl, a little bit easier for the internet, you know what I'm saying? You put a link on your website, I'll put a link on mine, you know, things like that. Sounds great. But just submit a link over there on a web ring, a web thing. Banksitter.com. Amazing, amazing website, Brown Bear. Goodness gracious. Is anybody even? I think the only person that did it was let's see what oh man, I'm having a hard time thinking. Kilgore. See, look, boom, 320. Check out his 15 plus free skins. Nice. And if you try to visit it, it's like, hey, whoa, you're trying to go here, your own risk. But fan sites, you guys, okay? Put them on there. GG. Word association, because you broke up the pattern with shovel, and it's a familiar word to reshape the sound around. D20. Well done, dude. Okay, so we're going to need to play a character that the reserve symbol count is respected or not. So let me log into a different character. I'm pretty sure I have my other guy with chivalry. Damn it. Chivalry. Yeah, I'm just going to say chivalry from now on. I think that's easier. Christnow.com. Okay, all right. I'm going to click this in an unexpected manner in this other browser. You're leaving Twitch, are you sure? Nice. Well done. You've done it, dude. Thanks. I hate it. The question earlier was, does anybody have some domains? Does anyone have names that, like domains that they're proud of that maybe they are or are not using? And Mindless happened to drop that he has Christ sound, but he never used it. But now it's in use. Well done, sir. You shipped a whole new project while you're over here slacking. Exactly, dude. You're a go-getter. Like, you're a doer, dude. I'm, again, hats off. You know? This this is me taking my hat off. Hats off to you. Chivalry, not Chevrolet. Nice. Chivalry. 120 Chevrolet. Wait, did we not? Are we broken? What's going on? Did I break the game? There it goes. Bracket Echo. What's this? Okay, I have 120 Chevrolet. So this will be a perfect example to try. Thanks. K-Mat's been bank sitting for 50 hours straight. He just said that in Discord. You got a Discord, Jace? I sure do. You guys should join if you're not in there already. Holy cow. We're growing. All sorts of members in there. Hell yeah. And it's opt-in notifications, you guys, okay? I hate notifications. I don't know if you know this or not. I'm a weird person, okay? I am a walking contradiction. I'm a streamer, right? A streamer should try to maximize the number of people they communicate with whenever they're going live. I should at everyone. I don't want to do that. I want you to opt into being added. So I hit you with the at notification, everyone. That way I'm not at everyoneing every time. So yeah, join the Discord, and you shouldn't be bothered at all. And if you are, tell me who's doing it, and I'll tell them to get out of there. Rouse. Anyway, let's test this reserve symbol, you guys, okay? We're working together to test the code. I'm going to uncheck all of the abilities just to see what we get as the base script when we say Chivalry abilities and Holy Symbol Reserve 5, okay? We're going to generate that copy and then look at the output. I'm sure it's going to be fine. Okay, it's not there at all. Okay, maybe it's smart enough to need one ability. Okay. Or it's probably not there at all, honestly. That's probably why it's a problem. Divine Fury. Oops, generate, copy. Paste. Okay, there we go. Okay. Yeah, there we go. It was smart enough to know that we needed a reserve. Okay, so if the Gump exists and the reserve holy symbols are 5. So that's right. You know, it should be, if we have 5 symbols, it's saying we have 0. If we have 6, we have 1. So that's right. I'm going to overhead the JSON of the holy symbols just so we can see it. Play. So 7. I mean, that's the right number. People were saying it didn't respect it though. Let's I'm gonna go ahead and do some more. So like cleanse by fire. Wait, cleanse by fire had logic with it, right? We'll do these 3. Generate, copy. Cleanse by fire, consecrate. Okay, so we loop through. It's going to set our holy symbols. And then it's saying, hey, if we have a valid target and we haven't casted Divine Fury yet, while the timer is greater than, and 4 is less than our symbols, then use Divine Fury. Okay, that makes sense. If we're poisoned and the timer cleansed by fire, we have 2 symbols. That should use it. Yep. This looks right. This looks correct to me. I don't have any of the target logic in here. I'm just going to set this equal to 0 here, just so that we can activate it. It should use Divine Fury right away. Save and play. No? Do I need to be in war mode? If the Gump doesn't exist... If the Gump exists... I'm just going to remove this line, actually. And I will remove this line down here as well. Save. Play. There we go. Divine Fury, Consecrate Weapon. Okay. So that worked correctly. It's probably because some people have checked autocast. It's not know what's going on. Maybe. I wonder if is there a system message if we checkmark this? No. Dang. I wonder if I can interact with that via the record button. I'm going to record real quick and click that. Stop. Gump response 27. Did you already win at EQ Legends? No, dude, get smurfed up. I'm still all excited / anxious about Everquest Legends. It's just Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6 to 9. Like my normal game stream is UO. And no, I have not beaten Everquest Legends. Believe me, still daydreaming about what I want to do and or be when I grow up. AKA when the server launches. I know I'm going gnome. I'm going gnome, and then I'm going... I don't really want to be like I want... you know... I'm trying to think of my base class. I was going to be paladin, but I kind of want to not be a paladin. I kind of want to be a warrior. Because warrior gives you the AAs when you get 30 for like your health regen. But then I feel like I'm like cheating myself because the only reason I want to be a warrior is for the health regen. You know what I mean? It's not like I want to be a warrior because I want to be a warrior. I want to be a warrior because of the AA. You know? So maybe I should just chase the AAs. I don't know. We'll see. Hello. Malakar. X. Use feelings. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I kind of want to... I encourage everyone to, like, play what they want to play. And then here is me going, Gnome is best in slot. I mean, technically, yeah, if we're going best in slot, I need to be an ogre warrior. So I get frontal stun immunity. Me. Dude, you're not allowed to talk like that. I don't want to be an ogre, guys. Okay, I'm definitely being a gnome. Gnome is best in slot. Is best in slot cosmetic? I like where you're headed. Get smurfed up. I mean, with a name like Smurfed Up, well done. You know? Because the other thing that I would be, if I wasn't a gnome, I would be a dwarf berserker. I like the idea of berserker as well. So like, if I wasn't a gnome, I would be a dwarf berserker. Still short. But what I played when we first launched was a gnome, paladin, enchanter, monk. So gnome, pally, enchanter, monk. Then I tried a whole bunch of different things. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked on this thing. Anyway, long story short, definitely going to play EQL. Definitely playing it 100%. We're going to like dedicate a day. We're playing it for surezies. I'm okay with not playing it all during the beta, like all the time during the beta, because it is going to get wiped. And I'm not the most exciting person to watch play a game that's going to get wiped. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not even, like, my highest character, I think, was like 22, you know? Meanwhile, the other streamers at EQL are on their, like, 8th character who's 50, you know what I mean? They're, like, killing raid bosses and stuff. I can't compete with that, you know what I mean? I do have the good looks, though, you know? But that's about it. What exactly are they still in early access for? Is stuff still getting added? Yeah, no, they've been tweaking all sorts of things. Most recently, like right before the beta got opened up to more people, they added spell, your ability to upgrade spells with moats. And then I think a recent patch added new dungeon revamps and all sorts of stuff. So yeah, it's still under development, but it's also supposed to come out at the end of the month. So we shall see. Okay. So let me do the symbol check one more time. The fact that it worked was great. But in theory, let me try to spend my symbols and then make sure that it still doesn't. I'm going to hit play here. And sure enough, it's not spending the symbol. Once I get to 5, it should still not spend the symbol. If it spends it, then we know we have a problem. Let's see. It should wait till we get to 8, right? Yeah, how dare you mess up the stream. No, but thanks for tuning in and asking a question. Appreciate that, dude. There we go. So 7. Yeah, sure enough. I think you're right. I think radar, people must have the check marked on. Because it does, in fact, look like it's working. Yep, there we go. So 5 is my reserve. I still have 5. Okay. Good to know. So if someone tells me that it's not working, I'm going to tell them, check your auto symbols. Check these things. Make sure they're not checked. Sweet. I'm gonna have a little water sip real quick. Reuse my coffee cup with water in it. That's right. Your snarl's very intimidating. Sorry, dude. I'll put it away. You made me laugh, dude. It's hard to do that, so well done. I never laugh on this stream. This is a very serious stream. Okay, so the good news is when we talk about the Chivalry abilities, the holy symbols should be reserved. These are when these are correctly being respected. GG. Let's just assume that's looking good. Sweet. Magic mushrooms didn't have anything changed with it. Self buffs also didn't have anything changed with it, I don't think. Meditation. Did we change anything with meditation? Yes, stop moving to meditate. A message. This message is brought to you by Jason.com. Look at me standing outside my house. I could have been killed. Okay, let's see. Protect casting. If we find buff meditating and our mana is less than, resume the mana cast. If not, find buff meditating. Stop moving, meditate. Use skill meditation. I'm going to manually change this just so it's wrong. Wait. If J-Spot meditation hold. What does that do? It doesn't do anything here. Meditation castle. Oh, that's for when you also have casting enabled. I was like, what is going on? That's so I don't cast. Because if we're low mana, I don't want to keep trying to cast. Especially if we're meditating. That makes sense. Wow, Jace, you thought of everything. Not everything. Not everything, you guys. Okay, so we do have that working. So let's keep going down the list. We're trying to make some progress here with testing the scripts. Then we can push it, okay, guys? I'm about to push it. I'm about to just give up on the testing. That didn't have anything changed-wise. Taunting didn't have anything changed. Combat. Targeting. We did have this. The all kill and that. We tested that though, right? Show combat overhead, fighting, searching for target. Okay, so this is new stuff. I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and try it on a real character. Real character, who dis? Let's play this guy real quick. I'm gonna go echo. No, I'm not gonna go echo. We're gonna go over here to Razor. And we're going to click skills, and we're going to click copy all. What's that do, Jace? Well, that puts our skills on our clipboard. Then we're going to go over to the script builder. I'm going to say, I'm going to paste this into the script builder. Boom. And I'm going to say detect build. And then we click on logic blocks, and basically based on our, basically based on our build, it's going to show these messages. Okay? Show you died, bro. Sweet. Restart the script? Sure. Stop when we're hidden? No, I want to pause until we unhide. Healing? Yes, please. If I'm missing 1 health, bandage it up, bro. Warn me if I'm low bandages. Sure. Shiv abilities. Reserve symbols. We're going to reserve 5. Use noble sacrifice. If we're missing 40 health, use holy light if we're missing 30. Close wounds if we're 5. Sounds good. Wait, what does close wounds do? What does close wounds do, guys? I thought that was like a... Yeah, okay, so for the next 30 seconds, reduces bleed and disease damage. I feel like that needs to... I mean, we'll make sure that that's checking... what's it called? The find buff. Because that's interesting. Okay, we'll do that. Cleanse by fire, sure. Consecrate, sure. I'm gonna turn off cleanse by fire. Okay, so we're gonna keep going down targeting. Auto target nearest monster. I'm gonna leave that unchecked. I don't like the fight when not in war mode. I like it in war mode, so we're gonna leave that unchecked. Set last target. Set your target will be the text of the prompt in the color of blue. Permanently ignore player pets once seen. Yes, please. Reissue targeting every few seconds. So this will re-attack the target. So we'll leave that check marked, and I will resend all kill. This should only do it if we have pets. But I just wanted to see, since it's the default checkmark, I want to see what it generates. Show combat overhead targeting. I'm going to click that. It shows fighting. There we go. How often should it display? Every 2 seconds. Searching for a target. Okay, that sounds good. 12. There's a player pet ignore text. Okay, sounds great. Let's see. Melee attack range. Yes. Abilities. Scale abilities with arms lore. Cool. I definitely have Bard on this guy. So maintain song. These are all the Bard buffs. Yes, please. Bard, provoke. Discoordinates. B buff to target. I want to also peacemake. I also want to provo. And I also want to peace before discord. Show overhead. Discording, peacemaking, provoking, area peace. Sure. No instrument. Overhead text. I do not have an instrument. Emergency area peace when we're low health. Sure. Area peace if our hit points drop below 50. Poison. Potions. Strength. Magic resist. Agility. I'm not going to throw... I don't think I have alchemy in this build, right? Do I have alchemy in this build? I don't. I need to hide... I need to make a note of that. Uncheck purple potion by default if the player doesn't have 80 alchemy, right? Or does alchemy... Does the potion stick to everybody now? I don't even know. Maybe I'm trying to fix something that doesn't even matter. Anyway, announce the script started. Custom script started is the message. You could put whatever you want in there or turn it off. We'll leave it on. Eat the food buff. Auto skin the corpses. Red pouches. We'll do that. Warn me if we're missing one. You could change the message. Weight limits dropping. Great. Re-equip. Generate. All right, we're just going to try this out, you guys. So we're going to head over to scripts. I'm just going to say over here, and it's Claude, and we're going to say new, and this is Jace is addicted to bank sitting. That's the name of the script. Jace is addicted to bank sitting. We'll set it as a hotkey 1 on the keyboard. No, 7 on the keyboard. Do you guys think it's going to work first try? We're going to close that down. I'm going to hit 7 on the keyboard. Let's see what happens. 7. Custom script started. It's eating a food buff. It's doing some buffs. What's our first buff? Is it working? There it goes. Why is it taking forever? Let's tap into war mode here. Fighting. Looks calmed. Discord. Nice. Holy cow, we got some overheads now in the script, you guys. People have been asking. Jace's Claw delivers, searching for a target. Peace. Discord. Oh my golly gee willikers. We have 7 holy symbols here. It is respecting our peace. Try Provo because it's gonna keep trying the same mobs. Okay, let's see. Provoking. 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 Okay, yeah, it discorded it though. Okay, yeah, I see what you're saying. It keeps trying to provo them together even though they're already provoed. Okay. Let's look at that. It sure is provoking them again and again and again and again. Which it shouldn't need to do. So let's look at the script generation. And say provo. Bard can provo. I feel like I've looked at this before, didn't I? I'm having a... Okay, yeah, so Bard can provo is always set to 1 in this one. I wonder why that is. Yeah, it's never checking it. Because in theory, if there's provo, Bard can provo. I need to look at the other script. Gelati. Here we go, deck spot. Base. So if provo is over 50, we can do it. And Bard skip provo. Okay, so technically this Bard can provo is pointless. And then Bard skip provo. Let's see if that's in the script. So that's not in the script at all. And I'm assuming it's not in my builder at all either. Sure is not. So Bard can provo is pointless. So Bard can't Provo 1. I technically want to do the Provo if we don't find Provo in their thing. So it's like or Provo in this skip piece. I basically want to say well, the problem is it technically needs to be in here, right? Because the old logic basically said, hey, if if we can Provo and do we need to skip it, and the skip got set based on Provo being in the current. If Provo's in the thing, we need to skip piece. And if Provo is in it, skip Provo. Skip Provo equals 1. So my old one, we actually provoked only when it was discorded. Interesting. Wait, is that right? Am I thinking about that right? Hold on. J skip Provos to 1. And we would set it to 0 if Discord was in it. So if we could Provo and we didn't Provo, then we would look to Provo. Okay, okay. Do we beat Banksitter? Dude, Banksitter beat us, dude. Such a good game. Also, be sure to check out chrissound.com. Another Mindless project, dude. Mindless is a MVP of UO related items. Like, holy cow. He's living the best life out there. I'm basically his advertisement board. Well done, Mindless. And then he had the gall to be over here. I shipped a whole new project while you're here slacking. Yeah, impressive. My developer envy grows. Oh, we got a feature enhancement, Mindless. Okay, the Chris sound needs a Chris animation when you click it. Come on, dude. That's funny. No, that's a different website. That's nice. Okay, 7 on the keyboard. Paste Discord. Okay, so yeah, Provo is not working right. I don't know if I have the mental capacity to fix that right now. Peace. It isn't. It seems okay when I was doing team maps the other day. It's technically, it's working, but it's using it when it doesn't need to. You know what I mean? Like it's spamming it. Which, is that bad? I don't know. Like it will keep provoking monsters even though they're already provoked. Spider bite. And like these guys are too far away, so it's not working, but. So it looks furious. See, so like standing right here, it will keep saying looks furious. See? So it looks furious, looks furious, looks furious, right? Like, technically it shouldn't do that. Technically, we should probably fix it. Yeah, I think it's trying to scan the monsters around and then provo them all together. It just happens to be that that one was already provoed, so then it's like provoing it again. Oh, hear me out. The arena calls. Yeah, maybe we should just push what we have and then do another arena. I agree. Let's just push what we have. See, look, we are hidden pausing the script. Oh my golly gee willikers. Yeah, let's just ship it. Ship it, ma. We're gonna ship. It's worth it for the quality of fish. Yes. SGH is all over the map. Wait, where are you going? Just tuned in. What are you working on? Well, we were working on Banksitter.com, aka getting the highest score possible. Then we went back to test all our script builder changes that we have locally, and it's looking pretty good. We did discover a few issues with barding, specifically provoking. But I'm not going to fix that at the moment. We're just going to push what we got. I do want to update these patch notes to be more accurate to the actual days we publish them. So let me fix the notes here. 1 second. And then we'll push that, and then we'll go to Banksitter.com, finish off the stream strong. I'm going to go check on the wife and kids and see what's going on, and then maybe we'll be back for a double header, a.k.a. Everquest Legends. I haven't re-rolled my Provo script in a while. Should I do that, include any changes? Totally up to you. You know, like your other ones should be saved, right? So if you ever like need to go back, you should have them, but... let's see what we got. Wouldn't it be great if the AI generated the patch notes for you? It did. That's the problem. It totally... Look, I'm not typing all that. Look how much that did. But I just need to edit it real quick so it's the same day. There's quite a bit that's going to be popping off here. So, yeah, I definitely would recommend just generating a new one to see if anything is happy for you. You know what I mean? Oop, that was me, guys. Sorry. Oh, patch notes. Let me fix the days here, because it's the 17th today, you know? Okay, so basically we're publishing that the Parry stance no longer needs mana. A bunch of web... I'm not going to read it to you guys. You can read it. I believe in you. Wait, why does that look so weird? What did I do to it? I broke it, y'all. Oh, it's because I'm trying to use them as a day. Let me just... We're just going to make the biggest patch note in all the land. Hold, please. It's because I have multiple days with the same day. Or multiple entries with the same day. That's on me. There we go. Holy cow, so many updates. Oh my golly gee willikers. That's what we're gonna be publishing. Publishing. Get status. Sure. Those all look good. Good ad. Sure. Get commit. We're doing it. We are doing it. Is my commit message. Get push. Boom. We're pushing right to main. No tests. Let's go. I'll just have my AI summarize what your AI has written. Damn, AIception. Okay, we'll check on that build in a moment, but while we wait, do I have this open anywhere already? I don't think I did. I think I closed it down. Banksitter.com. You better let me in the arena. I need streamer privileges. Huh, join arena. Nice. Right in. Here we go. Pushing right to main. Normally I do like a PR. I double check. I double check what I've done. You know, like I try to like make sure that it's right. Not today. This is it. Damage explosion for sure. Right. Like explosion OP. Kilgore, what's up, dude? Warlocks. We did just publish a script update, a script builder update, you guys, okay? So it's publishing right now. It's going to take like 6 minutes to go live. But we'll check out UOAddicts here once we dominate this Banksitter.com arena. Sponsored by Mindless. Holy cow, Mindless. You done good, sir. You done good. I'll get regen a little early just in case things don't work out for me, because apparently we out here dying. Damage. Scorched Earth or Greater Projectile? Greater Projectile. We already have one Scorched Earth. Damage, because the primary damage increases all of our damage, so not only our whackers but also our puddles. Did you just say whackers? Yeah. Primary damage increase again. Oh my gosh, we're off to a great start, you guys. Holy cow. Absolutely crushing it. Ooh, we're lagging for some reason. Why are we lagging? Tis a little bit janky, you guys, okay? It's fine, though. It's fine. Holy cow. Leo X9. This Leo X8 was taken. Thanks so much for the follow, dude. Appreciate that. Chain? Sure. Little chain action. Regen, sure. A little more explosion, yeah. More projectiles, yes, please. Jace, are you addicted? Yes. More ways than one. Can you get above 25K? My highest is 27K at the moment. But I feel like this run is it, you know? We're gonna be hitting that 3-0 in this run, right? That's the goal. Let me get that mobility going on. Oh. I feel like this is a sick run right now, you guys. I'm feeling good. Sick run, Jace. Oh, I know. Chain. This is the best run of my life. All I have to do is not mess up. Now, does the chain increase our score at all? Like, having a constant, like, kilt chain? Does anyone know if that actually helps your score? Like, is it worth taking some damage to make sure that you get your thingy? your thingy? your combo? Combo breaker! More projectiles? Hell yeah. Well, I technically want... I'm going to do mobility. If we can get to 5 mobility, then we can shoot and move at the same time. Projectiles. That's fine. Everything's fine. This is a good run. This is a fantastic run. I don't know, how far you gotten to run the secret hidden power-ups? What? There's secret hidden power-ups? Explosion level 5. There we go. Boom. Okay, alright. Oh my golly gee willikers, you guys. Oh, I lost my combo. Combo breaker! Stop distracting me. I'm trying to win. I'm trying to beat the pixels. Does anybody know if UOAddicts came up? It's probably down right now. Knowing my luck, I probably broke the website. It's probably not even live, and you know, like, and I'm gonna have to like stop, and I'm gonna have to deal with it for the next 35 minutes, like. Getting hit. I don't want to get hit. Cataclysm. Mobility, level 5. Yeah, there we go. So we're running around. Oh my golly gee willikers. We out here dominating, dedicating, determinating. I normally don't play this type of game, but this type of game, Ultima theme, I'm too scared to play because I'll probably get addicted. Dude, you will. But it will be worth the quality of fish, like Andy said. More projectiles? Oh my god, I'm killing the mobs before they even get to me, you guys. Wait a minute, this is it. Wait a minute. Whatever build I have right now, OP. Just stand still now. I gotta keep moving, right? Greater projectile? More damage? I probably should have got cooldown. So I can fire more often. Splinter. Every projectile bursts into a ring? Yes. Oh my. Dopamine, dopamine, dopamine. You know, I was mad that the oh gosh, I keep getting hit. I was mad that the initial scorch was this like pile of blood. But now that I see that there's an explosion fire field, I'm happy to see fire field on the field. You know what I mean? Cool down. Oh man, this is I feel like this in my bones, this might be my best run. All I have to do is not die. Yeah, that's what you have to do every game, Jace. I know, leave me alone. All I have to do is not die. Don't mess up, Jace. Thanks so much for the follow. Appreciate that. You look away for 1 second, back to the Banksitter Arena? Well, technically, I'm pushing the website right now, dude. That's why, right? I'm pushing UOAddicts. It may or may not be up. It may or may not be available. I don't know. I can't look. We did push the update for the script update builder. The script builder updates. I pushed to main directly. Didn't even follow through with. Oh. I tested it locally, but I didn't test the deployment at all. Oh. Oh, damage. Cooldown. Oh, I should have got re-health. I should have got regen. I should have got regen. Oh. I'm nervous, Nettie. I'm starting to sweat. All right. Don't blink, don't blink, don't blink. Don't blink. Because just like that, you're back on Banksitter.com because you took a nap. Regen. Oh, golly gee. Willikers. Wake up and you're 41 playing UO on Twitch TV. Don't blink. Yeah, I karaoke, you guys. I do. Karaoke Parry songs. Katy Perry? I'll do that. Wood. Damage. Oh my god, this is the best run. I know I haven't even got to the place where I normally die, which is the Blood Elementals, but I feel like I am crushing it right now. And the Blood Elementals come out as soon as I say that. Okay, all right. We're so good. New high score, who dis? Streamer privileges, guys. Cooldown. I just took cooldown. We're lagging. We're starting to lag. Flame strike? Sure. I probably should have got area. Oh my golly gee willikers. Clip it, ma. This is the best run of the Banksitter.com era. Do I want hops? Or do I want it to explode? 2. We're gonna go hops. Hopefully this doesn't hurt me. Hopefully hops helps. Oh my gosh, you guys. I think hops. I think it splits at the end of the hops. Oh my golly gee willikers. Area. Oh my. We ain't ever going to bed. Oh dude, I lost my combo breaker. Ooh, I got hit there. All right, some of you may die. It's a risk I'm willing to take. Oh, I gotta get this. Oh no. I took an area. Here's where you died? Okay. Oh, we're hurt. We're hurt, you guys. No. Oh, no, dude. 29,000. Damn, not even break 30K. This game sucks. Holy cow. Best combo 1744. Let's go. All right. Well, GG. Damn, those people that got like 60K EXP. What, how long are you playing? That was a 12-minute time survival? Holy cow. Wolfgeist is 65K. Dude, I'm not even in the top 40. I'm in the top 45. Let's go. I really don't know about Splinter. Check page 4. Nice, dude. 39. You're in the top 40. When you didn't get it, you'd get it better? Okay, yeah. Interesting. Very cool. Very cool game. Banksitter.com. Be sure to check that out. Let's see if my code actually deployed. Please come up. Please come up. Please come up. It sure did. Did it actually deploy, though? It sure did. Okay, cool. Wow, nothing but the best for this stream. I gotta turn this off. I'm running out of memory. Oh no, dude. It's frozen. All right, the only thing is it's a little bit memory intensive. Did it break my stream? Can you guys hear me? Oh no. Oh no, dude. User error. Well done. I cannot hear you. Okay, there we go. Okay. Holy cow, so many updates. I'm not even going to read all these. You're going to have to read it yourself, you guys. You're going to have your AI summarize all of that stuff. What? Wait a minute. Wait, that's my local host. What? I was like, what are we doing? Wait a minute. Okay, wait. Here we go. It pushed, you guys. It's like, that looks wrong. Worked on my machine. Anyway, these are all the notes. Wow, there we go. See, July 6th with the last update. Then today, July 17th. Can't even local host, bro. Jace, you working out again? Sure am. Not yet. But I'm wearing my workout shirts just in case I'm ready to go. I was actually going to go, and then I never went. Damn it. There's still time. Anyway. Back to the script builder, you guys. Here you go. You can do all these new logic blocks. Have at it. I'm going to go ahead and link it. Hit the chat right here. Boom, boom. We're going to post it in the Discord. You got a Discord? They sure do. Ads start in about 20 seconds on Twitch. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. Really appreciate the likes, follows, supports. Be sure to check out Mod Frequencies, a.k.a. Mindless's, Banksitter.com. Holy cow. And ChristAnimation.com. Yeah, I'm going to publish the notes like this. I'm gonna go announcements. Patch notes. Too many updates to list. Be sure to check out the latest. Thanks for the support. Notification, everyone. Look at notification, everyone. Boom. Now, if I post this in my announcements channel, you guys only get one notification, right? Like, because I'm going to forward this into my general chat. And my supporter chat and the bot builder and Discord Premium. You better only get one notification. If you get multiple, I'm going to be super pissed. So let me know if you got one notification or 4. Thanks for the Prime. You said a 1354 run, making it past the dragons, and then it just goes to the volleys and it starts recycling mobs. Pfft, the clue. Stop trying to beat my score. Anyway, so many updates to the script builder, you guys. Be sure to let me know if anything broke. I did go through them. You know what I mean? I kind of stepped through them all-ish. Give or take a couple. But all of the logic that was missing should not be missing now. You know what I mean? We should have addressed... pretty... Oh, I beat it. Wait a minute, what happened? Crap, was I in the dungeon? Did I leave the dungeon? Did I get kicked out of the dungeon for being AFK? I don't remember leaving the dungeon. Normally when I leave the dungeon, I go back to my house. I'm going to assume that Palma is the Sanctuary dungeon and it kicked me out. No, it's Aegis Keep. Interesting. Maybe I did leave. I don't remember leaving the dungeon. Okay, we're gonna go to the Jaggin. You got 34, almost 35,000 to glue? Holy cow. Anyway, Mindless. I love your game. So maybe you're the same spot as the Liaison. He may have died in the dungeon when he fell asleep. Nice. Okay, I'm pretty sure you get kicked out if you go AFK. If you go AFK in a dungeon, I'm pretty sure eventually you get kicked out. Because not that I've done that before. But I would have expected to have been murdered before I got kicked out. Which is why I thought it was going to be Sanctuary Dungeon. But anyways, let's play on a Tamer to see how the Tamer thing works, okay? Because people wanted the all kill, no skill. So we're going to switch to a Tamer real quick and see if that's actually working. I didn't actually try that at all. So let's go ahead and change our build to be... Should we be... technically, I didn't fix the Summoner either. We should probably be a Summoner, huh? Hurting, Spirit Speak, Necromancy. Let's just do that. We haven't played the Summoner in I don't know how long. Let's activate the Summoner, you guys. Wow. Holy cow. I know. Can I be a Summoner and still use an Arcane Staff for the mana regen, or no? I guess you can't, right? Like, I would want to use a book. Exceedingly book. Oop. Let's go. Death? Question mark? No, we're going to go command. That's what this one is, right? Command? Or do I want to be death? I can't remember how I played this. I can't confirm or deny this keep. I'm 120 Necromancy. Do I want to be Hurting, Spirit Speak, Necromancy? This one is it? Am I just... I'm pretty sure I'm just a Summoner in this one, right? Like I just use my pets. Isn't a Summoner dead, or do they fix it? I'm not sure. I honestly haven't played a Summoner in forever. We're gonna go command. I went the long way. All right, let's see how a summoner goes. Wait, I can't be in bone armor. I just wasted my... What a waste, Jace. I'm about to be in leather, huh? Because I actually need to meditate. Do I have meditation on this dude? What am I doing? I do have meditation. Okay. Like, I haven't played this in forever. I don't even know how to play. Okay. Let's get some leather on these little coupons. Boom, boom, boom. All right, we're leathered up. Nice. Spell aspect chains. No, where's my other chain? I think I have a follower tamerish chain, right? Damage on ships. Damn it, I have to change the chain. Sometimes I hate this game. You know, like... Okay, let's go ahead and manage. Remove all. Okay. Add all backpack into tome. Boom. Okay. So I want follower damage, follower attack speed, unless things changed from last time we played Summoner. I think Eldritch Death and Command work for the Summoner build. Okay. Oh, and the Necro does. Yeah, I mean maybe. Declue. I'm not sure, dude. Damage to disease creatures though. I mean, we might as well. Because technically we're gonna be doing it. I don't even know. This might not be the right build or the right thing, but it's fine. Everything's fine. This is fine. There we go. 22 links. Wow, Jace, you're dominating. I know. I'm pretty good. Okay. Command. So what are we going to do? Now what we do is we go over here. We go to Skills tab. We go to the Skills tab of Razor. Copy all. Then we head over to UOAddicts.com. I still don't have a button on this thing. I really need to add that. You click Developer Roadmap, Script Builder. If you don't have access, just request. If you support the channel, I'll try to get you in early. If not, be patient. I'm almost there. Paste. The tech build, logic blocks. And basically, I could change nothing. I could just say generate script, and it will make a script for me, okay? Let's see what kind of script it made. That sounds great, Jace. Jace is addicted to bank sitting. I'm gonna hit save on that. We're gonna hit 7 on the keyboard. And I could potentially just run that. The problem is I'm probably going to change some stuff in the script builder. So before I run that, we're going to go down the list here. So show died, sure. Restart, sure. Stop the script when hidden, no. I want to actually pause, okay? Some of these I might change the defaults for, I'm not sure. We want to heal, cure, blah, blah, blah. Only cast cure when we're out of cure pots, yes, please. It's going to skip the skills that we don't have. Meditation. How much meditate when missing this much mana? 40. Resume casting when we get to 60. Only interrupt if we are missing 30 health. Stop moving to meditate. Sweet. Magic mushrooms? Yes, please. Eat those up. Bless. Reactivate armor, arch protection, magic. Only buff when summons are at full strength, meaning we have all our summons. Okay. Combat, targeting, auto target. Yes. That sounds good. Permanently annoying pilot. Okay, yep. And this is the all kill thing that we're going to test. Show combat overheads. Yes, please. Attack your target. I don't need to do that because I don't have a skill to do that. Necromancy and curses. I don't know what I want to cast. We're going to have to figure all that out, too. We're going to have to make this better. What's the ability that does the damage? That was a stupid way of asking. What necromancy abilities do I actually want? What does the necro book look like? God, it's been so long. There it is. Vengeful Spirit. Okay, that casts automatically when I summon. Poison Strike. I'm not going to do that. Evil Omen. I don't care about that either. Corpse Skin. I want Corpse Skin on for sure. So I'm going to uncheck all this stuff. Corpse Skin, yes please. And Poison Strike right after Corpse Skin combo, yes. Okay. Okay. Lightning, Magic Arrow, Flame Strike, Mind Blast, sure. We're just going to keep all that fine. Redirect mid-spell, sure. Interrupt if we leave war mode. Don't cast while moving. Drink a heal potion before interrupting. Summons. So here's the summons are messed up. But let's do one Earth Elemental. One Demon. One Blade Spirit. Undead Followers, Wither. Do I have Spirit Speak on my build? Yeah, 120 Spirit Speak, okay. Potions, sounds good, sounds great. I'm gonna uncheck Explosion, announce a script, yep. Red pouches, please. Alarm me if somebody steals from me. And generate. Copy. So we're gonna paste that bad boy in. I'm gonna hit save. Now it's bound to 7 on the keyboard, guys. Okay, so I do want to get out a crook if I don't have one. Is one of my builds here take a crook? This one, but that was archery. I don't know if I have any ones for this one. I don't. Okay, I'm gonna hit Control-Shift-O on the keyboard. That's gonna put all our loot away. Get some loot back. It's taking some bandages, doing some things. That's fine. Okay, and then I just want to manually get a crook. Where the hell's a crook at? Macing weapon? Okay. So this is not activated. If I hit 7 on the keyboard, it should just all work. 7. Summon Earth Elemental. Found a pet. Herds my followers. Summon. Buff. So far, so good. Stop moving to meditate. Okay. We're going to head right to Palma. I'm going to hit 7 on the keyboard. I'm going to tab into war mode, and it should use all kill. It used all guard. It's casting a spell. All kill. No skill. Perfect. Stop moving to meditate. Sick. All kill. No skill. Alright, all kill's working, you guys. Working as intended. Jace, your screen is so cluttered. I know, you guys. Okay, I apologize. Let me fix it. Hold on. Click, 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 click. Sorry about that, you guys. Okay, I know some people get a little upset with the wonky screen. All kill. No skill. Dude, we're a summoner, you guys. We out here summoning. All kill. Is it meditating at all? I feel like meditation's broke. Meditating. Okay. Yeah, it's working. Wow, a research note, you guys. Hells yeah. Nothing but the best for this stream. We went down to 5. There's the skeletal husk. Buffing up buttercups. Wow. Jace, it's not doing all kill as it gets a new target. I know, it's a little bit wonky still, you guys, okay? But it's at least working. Never happy. So the good news is, if you're a summoner, the script builder is built. It's scripted. It's built in. Beowulf hitting us up with the raid. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Beowulf. We're working on beating our high score at Banksitter.com, sponsored by Mindless. I didn't get my highest score, but it's okay. We're also working on the script builder over at UOAddicts. That's this little guy right here, where you put in your build, and then it lets you generate a script based on your build. So I don't know if anybody's seen this yet or not, but it's over here on UOAddicts.com. Be sure to check that out. It's in testing, okay? So it's not available for everybody, but let me know if you want to try it out. You import your build, you check mark some boxes, and then let Jace take the wheel. There's still some issues with summoners not working quite right. We need to fix that. So like when my pet dies here, I'm pretty sure it might get stuck in a weird wonky loop. But let's see. Maybe I fixed it. I mean, it seems to be working. It works until it doesn't work for being a summoner. You know what I'm saying? Add to the backlog. Oh yeah, 100%. 100%, dude. Add it to the backlog for sure. Anyway, so far so good. I am going to log off here in a few moments, and then I'm going to come back, okay? Because I'm going to see if the wife and kids will allow me to double header. Double header what, Jace? Well, Everquest Legends is on the brain. Everquest Legends is in open beta, and we're going to play it. Now, whether or not I'm going to be on stream while I'm playing it, that's up to the fam. You know, I might have to spend time with them and then come back later. And then by the time it's later, I don't know if I'll stream. You know what I'm saying? But if the family's happy without me, then we'll be back. Also, the third place game is tomorrow for the World Cup. Who's excited about that, guys? France versus yeah, but who's the other team? England. For third place. Nobody wants to play this game. I saw a meme about the England coach saying something about like nobody wants to play this game. It's stupid. We shouldn't do it. I don't know if it was like real or not. You can't always believe everything you see on it. Yeah, the second runner-up. There's no crying in baseball. Wow, we are missing out on mana. Where's my... Okay, skill right here. I wonder if all kill is interrupting my skill meditation. No, it's respecting. Hashtag respectful. The World Cup should have a loser bracket for like more games. Don't give them any ideas, dude. They'll do it. More matches, more games, more monies. Exactly. Like a hydration break. Boo! Boo! A hydration break. I watched Major League in Sandlot the other day. Charlie Sheen in his element. Dude, that's awesome. I haven't seen that in forever. Major League? I'm pretty sure I haven't seen Major... I watched it a long time ago. Does it hold up? The baseball movie I watched most as a kid was the one where he had his arm broken and he was like a kid and he went to the major leagues. I can't remember the name of that, but he like broke his arm and he could like throw it all quick. Does anybody remember that movie? What movie was that? Was it called Major League? I think it might have been called Major League, you guys. Oh, Rookie of the Year. Major League is the movie you were just talking about. Goodness gracious. I was like, Major League is definitely that movie. No, Major League was the different one. Major League was where it was like adults. Nice. Major League was Charlie Sheen. Yeah, okay. It's all coming together now. Okay, so it's trying to cast Summon Demon, but instead of casting Summon Demon, it tried to cast spells. So something is wrong with being a summoner, you guys. Shockingly enough, you were right, Jay. Something's wrong with the summoning. There it goes. Nice, okay. I mean, it recovered, but it's not great. Little Big League was good too. You missed the 80s and 90s? Yeah, dude. 100%. The good old days. I'm a new player. I want to be the best DPS build. I have a blood aspect. How can I have more DPS? Time and leveling. Diablo. Diablosus 6073. Really, the way you gain power spikes is by filling in your aspect levels, right? So like I'm tier 14, for example. So as you get higher tier, you'll do better. And then also your codexes, different codex points and stuff. It's like your wizard grimoire, your whatever, not wizard, but depending on what you're playing. Does that make sense? And I'm sure somebody else can answer for a better way to get you on your right path. I'm terrible at the game. I play vibes. There's lots of solid baseball movies, even Benchwarmers with the guys that played Deuce Bigalow and Napoleon Diamond. I never saw that. Was that good? I do like spoof movies, though. You know, like Hot Shots, Robin Hood Men in Tights, History of the World Part 1. You know? Those are my jams. I didn't do a lot of like Black Knight with Martin Short. What was it? Like I like those type of things. Spaceballs, yeah. Which is funny. I haven't seen Spaceballs as much as I've seen a lot of the other movies. Monty Python, yeah. Because my genre as a child was more sword, shield, magic versus space. That's like when we're playing video games, I'm more excited about a game like this than like Eve. Even though Eve's super cool. If there was an Eve that was based on me being a mage, I'd be more excited. Blazing Saddles. I said this the other day to someone. I need to watch Blazing Saddles again, but I don't know if you could. I don't know if you're able to. I feel like I couldn't find it anywhere because it was so awesome and bad all at the same time. I feel like it's one of those films that you're not allowed to watch, like The Hangover. You know, like I can't quote multiple things in The Hangover. Offensive. Is it though? Is it though? I mean, not to me, but I guess, you know, I gotta like... The birds. The Brad Pitt one where he's statistics guys stepping is cool. Oh, I like that one. Moneyball? You talking about Moneyball? Or are you talking about Ocean's 11? A swordsman or dual wielding? I don't know how I can have more damage. Great question. I'm not sure. Benchwarmers was the nerd versus bully type movie. Pretty good story. Even has John Levitt. Nice. All right, M on the keyboard. What's that do, Jay? Instantly sucks us into the gate and then recalls us home. Wow, where do I get a script like that? UORazorscripts.com. That's right. I got so many scripts and ads and stuff. Holy cow. But be sure to check out UOAddicts.com/script builder. That's what we're working on right now. Ads are actually playing right now. I'm going to leave during an ad break. I can't. I'm going to have to wait. I have to wait for the ad to finish so I can leave. That's how we roll over here on this stream. We pump you full of ads. I can't help but say stupid stuff like that. That's why you subscribe. Appreciate that. You know, thanks for supporting the channel. Appreciate. Do appreciate. Anyway, we're gonna try to be back. We may or may not be back. But anyway, if you check out UOAddicts.com, you can check out streamers. Okay, we've had 179 streamers in the last 30 days. Some of those people fell off because I felt like the last stream we had 180 something. So, as said, if you scroll down to the bottom here, some of these people are about to fall off. Like IG, where are you? Zappy, what's going on? Radar Void, you were here in the chat. Why aren't you streaming, dude? It's been 28 days. At least go live and kick you back up to the top. You know, Keith. Sure Shrimpington. He was on a tear, dude. What happened to Sure Shrimpington? Boo Whip. Wait a minute. Boo Whip was also on a tear. What's going on? You guys are... I read this as I Poppy. I Poppy, where are you? Anyway, be sure to check out UOAddicts.com. And then we will... We're going to find somebody to raid. We got OSI. People playing OSI. Two-Tone Salty. We raided him the other day. Another OSI player. What the hell's going on? All right, we're going to hit you up with Two-Tone Salty again. And then I will be... Boo's been streaming solid Dragon Ball Z episodes? Ah, okay. Fair. As long as he's streaming. We're gonna raid Two-Tone Salty again, but I'm gonna be back maybe. Okay, I'm gonna be playing Everquest Legends, whether it's on stream or whether it's just instead of sleeping. I'm gonna be playing Everquest Legends, so we will be back. Jace Gnomes, exactly. We will be back. Yeah, who needs to sleep? Not this guy. Not this guy. Let's hype our way out of here. We haven't done that in a while. Boom. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6 to 9, Texas time. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. All right. Peace. Oh no, dude.